Yeah, so how I traced it, I placed the sole, I faced it down on the maco. This is called maco. So I faced it down to trace the shape of the sole. That is how I got this shape. Then cut it off. So this is the maco. I'm done cutting it. Then the next thing is the fiber. You will see it. Here is it. So this is the fiber. So I will cut it too. So here I'll be using the maco. I'll be using the maco to trace it. Remember, I traced the maco with the sole. With that sole you saw there. So then this fiber, I use maco to trace it. Then you cut it off. Here you can see it. Then after that, I then cut the lining. There is it. You can see it. It's brown. So I use brown lining because I'll be working on brown sole. Yeah, you can see it. That is all I use for my insole. If you have watched to this point, that means you love this video. Then subscribe for more videos on how to make shoes, crochet shoes, and other crochet items. So after this, the next thing I will do now is to crochet on the sole. You can see it. So here I'm crocheting on the sole. I've already created video how to crochet on the sole. So here I'm making 3 single crochets on this particular sole now. Then after crocheting on the sole, then I will then crochet on the insole. But just watch out, I will give you just a clip of how to crochet on the sole. Yeah, you can see the finished one. This is how it will look like. Then after that, you crochet on your insole. You can see this one. Then after that, you then fix together the insole and the sole together. You can see how I'm doing it here. Just watch closely, you will see what I'm doing. Then after that, you can now create any design you like. You can see this one. So if you love this video, please do wait to subscribe for you to be the first person to receive my video anytime I upload any crochet video. Subscription is free. Like and share to your friends. See you on my next video. Bye.